Managing parallel sessions on CoWIN. DIO and CVC manager can create two parallel sessions on CoWIN of different age groups and different vaccines on same day. So the district immunization officer can click on manage session, define the date, start time, end time, age group, vaccine, capacity for online dose 1 and dose 2, similarly on spot dose 1 and dose 2, and add the session. On the same day, DIO or CVC manager can create another session with different age group or with different vaccine, and similarly by defining dose 1 and dose 2 online slots and dose 1 and dose 2 on spot slots. After adding these two sessions and after publishing these two sessions, the vaccinators attached to this particular COVID vaccination center can view these sessions. So if we can take an example, vaccinator Anita and Sunita are from same CVC Malviya PHC. They can view and operate two sessions in parallel. So like Anita Kumar can see two sessions, and similarly when other vaccinator Sunita Kumar will log in, she can also see two sessions. Now if any one of the vaccinators start any particular session, for example here Anita is starting a session, the same session can be viewed by Sunita and she can see that status is now changed from yet to start to ongoing. Similarly, if vaccinator Sunita is changing the status of session from yet to start to ongoing session, the other vaccinator Anita can see that now the other session has already started. And even if you add a beneficiary on spot or online to this session, both the vaccinators can see the status update of the session. For example, here we added one beneficiary to the session. The other vaccinator will also be able to see the same status change. So